I think, yeah, exactly. So I can do this, I think. Should we have audio here now? Do we have audio? Hello. Oh. Hello. Yeah, now we have audio. Could you check again on YouTube? It should work now.
Wait, mute yourself.
Embrace.
Yeah. Okay. Exactly. When you switch the thing on the video stream, I heard your voice. Okay.
Awesome. Okay, but then
Nice.
then we're good. Yes.
Nice.
Sweet. Okay. So last time, I loved your comment. By the way, I was so stuck in my brain doing functional.
I was screaming at my screen.
Because I was like watching a football match or something. Like, why are you doing that? You should do it like this.
No, the reaction meme on the couch.
Yeah. Let's see. I thought maybe I can. It's kind of cool because we can. We have the edit PR.
Do you want to send me a link to your sandbox?
Yeah. Yep.
Or I can just copy it.
It would be nice if we actually showed more recent branches. Like I can like work on like 6. It would be nice to have 6 here.
It's weird that they are just 3.
Yeah.
Like that was arbitrary.
Where's edit? Oh, yeah, there's actually 6.
Yeah, you can just use that.
This is the one. Useful Lichterman.
Yeah, that's easy to type. Can you rename it?
Yeah, I can do that. How do I do that? Rename.
Now it's the hard part.
Yeah.
Edit PR?
Banana. That's my
Of course, it's banana. Okay.
I can give you the link as well.
Edit PR.
Yeah, and you even made me a sandbox of how we should write that code.
Yeah, I had like I felt you when you said I get into these situations where I just stare at the screen. So my solution for that is to not stare at the screen and just like start writing tiny functions that I know that work.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I go completely crazy.
Yeah, it's like that. You just can't find the next step, and it feels like you're on a timer. It's as if there's a bomb going off or something. Just get...
Oh, I think I need you to give me permissions for this repo, or is it public? Because if it's public, we have a bug.
No, it's
like
not.
I should be able to. Okay.
I'm not sure if it's public. Did I make it private?
No, it's private. Yeah.
Where you
collaborators.
What's that password?
Super secret password.
Oh.
Which is obviously password.
Add people. John Marco.
Yes, you typed an E.
Huh?
There is an E after the I. It should be an
Gian.
No, we did.
Gian Marco. Gain Marco.
Close. G-I-A.
A?
Yeah. N. M. M. I know this is super hard. A. R. Actually, I don't know if I'm even like the code like that on YouTube. Can you try G? S-I-M-O-N-E.
Oh, huh?
G. Just G.
Yeah.
No, I just leave everything. You know, it would be easier if you went to our organization and copied.
Yeah, but I really want to learn to pronounce
G-S.
the name. S?
Yeah, E. I. Sorry, I get confused with the English pronunciation of words. M. O and E. God.
Oh, but so
yeah,
it's Gian Marco. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. So it's not your actual username.
I thought you would find it. That was the hardest part of the
PR.
We're going to open a linear issue and put it as Excel. Just for this.
Oh yeah, but
PMs are going to be happy about.
Yeah, but it's good that we have this raw format on the streams for now, at least, because it doesn't get more raw than this.
Okay, I mean,
awesome. Yeah, so it's the PR client file.
I'll just follow you.
Yeah, and I thought maybe we could do what you suggested. We could do the, what was it? Export like add line.
Oh yeah, I mean, let me grab the sandbox. I'm going to copy paste it.
Yeah, you do that.
What I did was like I abstracted the index problem because that really hurts my brain.
Yeah, they are line and zero indexing. Yeah. It's, and also,
so, you know, it just adjusts the index like this.
Yeah. And yeah, what I also reflected on is like, if you compare slice to splice, like slice is what you do to do it like in an immutable way, and then it's mutable with splice. But splice is so much more like how my brain works. It's like, absolutely. I have this list at this point. I want to delete this many and I want to add this stuff, instead of like just with slice, the second argument, is it including that index or excluding that index? It's just, it's so mind-bending.
It's like an up to.
Yeah.
Up to, not including. So that's why it's a bit confusing. A bit more, much confusing. But maybe, you should embrace your mutability love and just mutate shit and or either clone the array. Yeah. Because like this is an array of strings, so you can just spread it and create a copy. So in theory, you could have done that easily.
Because this was this was the one that replaced.
So you need to pass the index as a 0. I don't remember anymore what I did. Like, I think if you just pass the index here, it should work, because like this is subtracting 1 from the index, so it goes from index 1 to index 0. Yeah, because here it's line and then and then it's the change, which is diff line content. Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's lines, the line number, the change, and then nothing else. Yeah, and then this is remove line, diff line. That should be enough. And then this one is actually adding add line, diff line content. What did I do now? Type number is not assignable to string array. I think. Are you sure you used? I think the aggr thing isn't what you think. It's a number for some reason. Oh, I think you fucked up the reducer. Yeah, I fucked up the code. I wonder how I did that. Oh, you just. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. I removed too much. Thank you. Yeah, let's run the works. I have to move. Let's see. Yarn test watch. And what's kind of cool now is that you actually see should create lines diff should apply. Wait. Have you checked the stream lately? I think you're just streaming your Zoom window. Oh. No. Oh my God, that's embarrassing. That was good content. Oh, that was awesome content. Okay, now it's working. Well, yeah, 15 minutes in and we're... Oh God. What good thing you catch that. Did someone tell you or... No, I just went like, hey, let's see how the code looks. Oh my God. Okay. What does it? Yeah, but it does look. Yeah. I wonder if one thing I want to change is like, why don't I see side by side gallery? There we are. Yeah, because now we can see both of us, and then we have that clear.
weird one in the middle. Okay, sorry. Yeah, something bad happened. Was it
these 2 lines?
Have you seen this problem with Jess not giving?
No, it's not just. It's a problem with us right now.
Oh,
like if you even look at the Git panel and like you make a change, the change doesn't apply back to the editor until you do something else. There's something wrong with the. I don't know what.
Oh, okay.
Like I saw this happening when I was working on the PR.
Mm-hmm.
And I was making a change, and the uncommitted state wasn't changing until I did something else. So I think these are related. Something isn't updating something else.
You mean like the actual contents of the file?
Like if you were to commit these and then made a change, you wouldn't see the commit change here.
Oh, interesting.
Unless like that's what happened to me yesterday.
Okay.
And Bogdan said it was kind of the same, and Artem also said it happened to him. So there's something very wrong with something else.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's enough if you just like, I don't know, if you re-render the terminal or something. I don't understand what's happening, but because this is the process, so it wouldn't be the same thing. I don't know.
Yeah, because in this case, because I see the thing you describe now to be like related to like the Git status in the file system. But here I think it's just what's it called, thingy with the code that translate the other thing that maps lines to the original code to the bundle code.
Bubble, like the bubble transform.
What's it called? Like in CSS, like
source maps.
Source maps. Thank you. It seems to be something related to source maps, maybe. So it's just not able to point to the correct line or something.
Oh, you mean just the line? No, okay. If you want to fix that, just stringify the objects, and it should look maybe better.
Yeah.
Because you're using arrays, so it's a bit annoying.
Oh yeah. But here, like it states on line 23, that's where the error occurs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it's actually occurring either here or here.
Oh, you aren't in our in our repo. Like this is a new one. So okay. No, because I don't get this on the CodeSandbox one. Anyway, let's see what.
But we can look at. No matter, it's always a good idea to look at it like this. So yeah, we're getting something weird. This is supposed to do like first it's supposed to replace, and then it's supposed to add after that. So what if we just, to better see this, if we just
maybe isolate the problem. I would suggest you to also do like one diff per test, just so it's easier to read.
Yeah, that's
test itself.
Point. Yeah, because comma and then okay, so this one is almost right. It seems to exclude the last. It excludes this one. So the replacement seems to replace more than.
Let's see. What did I forget to fix an index? Maybe replace is the first one, I think. Yeah. So the first part should be okay. Maybe this is just 2 isn't correct.
Oh yeah, I think this is just. Yeah, I don't think. Oh, so index here is.
It's just subtracting to fix the change index.
Oh,
line. So line is the array. So it's going the index you passed -1, which is like the last element, and then subtracting another 1 because your index is 1. Wait, I can just write a test for this.
Yeah.
Very quickly.
Yeah, do that.
Transfer.
Yeah, line. I can't remember the old stuff. So it's like line, and then we insert, and then we need to go to, I wonder if it's just, is it just like this? It seems like it's really weird. The like just is like super slow.
The terminal.
Yeah, like as if the file watcher is slow or something.
Yeah, that's what I also perceived, like that there's something wrong with the way the files are updated.
Bar.
Like now I don't see my changes.
Yeah, it needs to be minus something. But last time it was, this is the thing that confused me the last time as well. God damn it.
Come to my,
and I was food changed.
I get a lot of feedback, by the way.
Because the thing that surprised me the last time was that it wasn't the stuff coming after, it was the stuff before it. And that doesn't make any sense in my mind. Because what's the test like now? Is it, oh, transform test.
Yeah. Can you fix it? Can you mute me or something? No, you can't mute me or you wouldn't hear me. I hear myself back.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be my speakers. Yeah, maybe I should wear a headset doing this. Yeah, I'll make sure to do that. Actually, I think I do have a headset. I can go and grab it. Can't you fix this and I'll go and grab my headset?
Yeah.
But now I have a feeling that we don't have.
Hey, do we hear you?
Oh, we do. We do. Okay.
Oh, on the stream, I don't know.
Now I can hear myself. Why do I hear myself?
There's something wrong with the test run, or either with our file watching, because now it's saying that we don't have any tests.
Why am I hearing myself? Oh. I did. Okay, now there we go. Okay.
Okay,
so now we should be good.
The test is working like my.
But I can't hear you now. What the fuck? Oh my god, what's happening here? This is so confusing. Oh my god. Oh yeah, and now external. Okay. AirPods. Okay, now I should hear you.
Okay, do you hear me?
No, I can't hear you. God damn it. Why can't I hear you? Can I hear myself on the other computer? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so you can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you on the other computer, but I can't hear you in my headset, which is weird. And I think it's because I didn't start Zoom.
Oh yeah, you can just change it in Zoom if you click
with the headset. So when I change it in Zoom, it's not like able to same as system. AirPods, blah, blah, blah. Sing a song, Gianmarco.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, I'll try to, since it's not a big deal, I can just join the session again. I'll just try closing Zoom and see what happens. Yeah. Oh. Can I hear you now?
Hello?
What the hell? This is so stupid. This is so freaking stupid. Test speaker and microphone. Output level. Do you hear a ringtone? No, I don't. Why don't I hear a ringtone? For fuck's sake. Oh, no. I think I hear you now.
Hello?
Yes, now I hear you. What the fudge? I had to reconnect the headphones. Okay.
That's okay.
Oh my God. Okay, so we're back. We're streaming the code. I can hear you. You can hear me. And can everybody else hear us? Yes, they can. Okay.
Nice, we did it finally.
Yes, now at least we know how to do it.
I'm changing the code a bit. The test, just because I couldn't quite follow it. So I'm going to try to see what's wrong with it.
Oh yeah, so this is you have to. This is the thing with like template That's why I prefer using arrays, because then you don't have
what's
to
up with
about...
Oh yeah, the white space.
Yeah,
good point. And also the new line here should be wrong. It's annoying.
Oh yeah, exactly.
We should probably stringify that. But anyway, that's cool. Let's see. It's not working anyway, so like it's not like other than white space it's working. No, I need to bring the diff in this file so we don't have to context switch as much. I like the name of the file too. Test.
Yeah, that's what happens.
I give you shit about names until you fix that. I'm just putting the stuff here.
Now you remember I removed some of the...
Okay. Oh right, the new line.
I changed it now.
See, that's why it's useful to have it here.
Yeah, good point.
So it should be like this, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Oh,
so expected -1. Let me just because it's really hard to see when with the diff view from just.
Yeah, it's super confusing.
Oh, there is white space. Oh, but it's all fucked up. This is interesting. Are you sure you're getting the correct lines? Because like maybe the other functions are wrong. Can you come to the transform test?
Yeah, I would write a test for the add as well.
Yeah. So I should add between the lines, right? That's what I should test.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
But it's so fascinating. Like this was my biggest surprise, that it could be this difficult to just bring like your mental model into code for just manipulating a freaking array.
No, it's simple, but it's really like it's hard to keep everything in mind, I think.
Yeah, exactly.
Can you check the test result? Like, is that good? I think so, right? So this is adding at second position. So is it after the second position or before the second position?
Yeah, that's a good point.
Maybe that's the problem.
It should be like you add it to that specific line. So in this case, if it's like 0, yeah, so it should be the way you wrote it now.
So this is okay. This should pass, right? Okay, yes. Then it's wrong. Or not? No, it's not wrong. Damn. Then it's the remove that's wrong, maybe. Now I'm going to.
Yeah, of course.
I'm thinking that
removal as well.
I'm thinking that it's the diff parser that's wrong. Even could that be?
Well, I have tests for that, so it does.
Maybe the tests are wrong. At this point, everything is on the line. No, but this fact that it takes time to update, like to refresh the tests, it's so annoying.
Yeah, that was also, I thought about that after the last session. I also realized how important it is when you manipulate like small details like this. You need a feedback loop, and if you don't have that, it's just there's too much time to think and not just go with your intuition.
So I have an idea. Let's simplify this thing a bit. Can you do that? Like I'm not sure what I would be doing, but like make one test for removal, one for adding a line, and one for replacing a line. Just super focused, and then we can make both.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to do that because the diff, I don't quite understand.
Oh, you got it from something.
Yeah, it's not just yeah, it would be easier with a simpler diff. But what you can do is, yeah, maybe that was the issue as well. Like we were,
like at this point, I'm not even sure that the lines are what we expect. I'm going to just try everything. Okay, so the file is just foobar. So it's removing the line and adding one. Oh, so this is what happens when you do the, like,
yeah, and it should
removes
also be
the same line, and that's when, because there is the comma here.
Yeah, exactly.
It's interesting. So it's removing line 1, add it next 1, choose, sorry. Oh God, I don't understand anything.
But I do wonder, why does it have the line spaces? Oh, wait a minute. It's because when you join, I don't think you should join. You shouldn't join like this. You should join like this because it already has the line breaks in there.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
that's the point. But still, we would have we have an extra token somewhere, like the parentheses.
Parentheses.
Oh God, yeah, this stupid thing that doesn't update. Oh no, this is actually almost good.
Oh wait, now it doesn't have the.
The fuck is up? No, it does. Look at the the red lines. There is like foobar, bar, bars, and then there is like parentheses foobar. What the hell?
But when you add the line break, then it's suddenly.
Yeah, it's just adds... bad. It's bad at showing the diff, but the error is the same.
Okay.
So the problem here is that like this is. Are you sure this diff is correct?
Yeah. Because
are you like 100% sure?
Yeah, like if you see the, like it parses the diff at the top and it does show the.
Oh, I have an idea. I have a tiny idea. Let's try to do the operations that it's doing in a like manually, and see if they are correct. Because otherwise, you know what might be wrong is your ifs. So you have a bunch of ifs in the what's his face? In the function that applies the diffs, right? You have this if is array and if diff line content and ultimately add line. Maybe this is wrong. So what I would suggest is,
it was just that it was working until we changed to your new functions.
Oh, then it's just the index. Maybe that it's wrong. So diff line. Let me just see what's being
passed. But it's so weird that you have that. Why is it giving? Yeah, the diff view is extremely confusing. Could I try just? I want to let's see. Let's log like new lines as well, just to see them without the.
We are overlogging right now.
Yeah, because it's giving. Oh yeah, like it's repeating the whole thing at the end. So it seems to me that the add.
Oh, come here. There is the,
Oh, is it? Oh, I think maybe it's a return. Wait a minute. Lines.
What? Come to the PR client file. Do you see the log with the bear?
Yeah.
Is this what you expected, like index 2 and then the changes this full bar?
Yes. And then what would be interesting though is to look at the add line log before the add line, because then it should have changed just line 2.
Okay, 1 second. Super professional logging.
The hell?
We need to find something to do while it reloads the test.
Yeah. You can
no, but is this on our, like, is this a problem with the way we watch files, or is it?
I've never experienced this before.
It's last week, right?
Yeah, I've been writing. Well, I haven't been writing that many tests, but we're running a lot of file watchers, and they're like super fast. So,
okay, so replace is correct, and then the add line is also correct.
What's the if you log the agger here as well? I'm curious what it actually produced after the first replace line. I have a feeling it's not the.
Interesting.
Yeah, it feels like what it's returning is it's weird.
Like this is this is creating a new array every time.
Yeah.
So it should be okay.
Wow. It feels like it takes longer and longer to run the tests, which is also super. Yeah. So yeah, exactly. So you see the add line. It doesn't return the full thing. So on the add line, the previous replace didn't return like all the lines.
Let's go back to the transform test. Maybe we missed something.
Yeah, did the transform test also? Yeah, it did check that it kind of inserted it. Oh, but this should be. Oh, I think I see. Like replace line. You're saying line 2.
Yeah.
So that should. Sorry. This should be okay. So if we,
this is line 2 though. This is line 1, 2, 3. It's not 0, 1, 2.
Yeah.
So it's replacing. Yeah, because we are fixing the indices, right? In the function.
But why doesn't that? I don't understand. Why doesn't the other one do the same then? It doesn't keep. It replaces. What if we add something to the?
Oh yeah, good one.
Meep.
And now we wait 40 seconds. No, like this is urgent. Like we need to fix this as soon as possible. We didn't get complaints from users though.
Yeah.
So it's fine. It did fail.
Oh yeah.
I think you found the problem.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So it's changed. And then, you know what? I think it's just returning one element from the tail of the array. What?
Yeah, did it?
Like if we add another one here. And now we wait 40 seconds. Oh no, this time was fast.
Yeah, because it's
like it's consistently just returning the last one. So it's just a function that's wrong.
And this is the thing that completely broke my brain the last time.
Wait. Let me think. Because slice
doesn't.
Oh, you know what? We're doing something stupid because slice. I'm trying the console. So if I do slice -1, I just get the last one. So this is getting 1 from the tail. So it should be the index of the change to the end of the array. I don't know why we did it like this. I did it like this. Yeah, but this should be just in that index. No? Wait. Transform. Where is the transform test? Yeah. So +1. No, but I'm serious. Like this is the whole thing. Or -1. Yeah, that's it. Now it's correct. Because I was doing a negative index, so it was going from the last element of the array back while I had to just, skip one element and take all of the remaining ones.
So it was going like backwards?
Yes. And it was taking the last one. And it was only working when they were 3 elements. Yeah. That's why you write tests that, take multiple cases consideration. So we need to remove a bunch of logs just to see what's going on.
But should it be line +1? Shouldn't it be just line? Because line is like you want, no, line. So line would be the item after the line. Or would it be, no, because the index is before.
Yeah, this is a specific that you need to decide on. But we're still getting the same error, like the same kind of problem.
Yeah, well, now it's correct here. Like when we get to the add line, it's correct.
Okay.
So I think it's the add line now that needs to do the same thing.
So the add line isn't add lining?
This should also be +1.
Oh, nice. Okay. That was a stupid mistake. Let me just also fix the transform test.
But I'm not sure. Should it be +1? Oh yeah, because we're.
Wait. Maybe we should updating the test.
I have an idea, and we should rather say index here because this is confusing to me. Like the index is just line -1.
Oh yeah.
And then we like operate with the index. We can even call it line index. Line index. Because then line index +1.
Wait, let the test run, see if it's correct.
Okay, yeah.
So just wait 2 minutes. Okay, everything is passing. Which we learned that doesn't mean that the code is correct. But just that the tests are stupid. I'm adding multiple elements to all the arrays just to be sure.
I think this should just be line index now. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
No, the transform test is not passing anymore.
Was it the add line thingy?
Yeah, you changed something in add line and you changed it in the wrong way.
So this should be. So we're going to the line before. We're actually going. Line index represents the line before. And then we're inserting something. And then, yeah, so this should be +2. Because no, it should not be +2. It should just be line index because we're keeping the line that we had. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
So this is adding a line. Oh yeah, in theory.
Yeah. So we're grabbing everything up to the line, we insert the line, and then we insert everything from the line.
Yeah. It's really hard to do this without the tests.
Yeah.
Like I can no, okay. Now
passing.
What the now your tests are passing and the transform tests aren't passing.
No.
Wait, come here. Come to the test. So now you made it so that the line is added before the index. Is that correct?
So now, wait a minute.
If you look at the results you get, like just add lines, you see that the change is before the bar. So it's like this.
Oh yeah, now it changed before.
Like which one is the correct one?
Oh, sorry, it's the it's the add line. Yeah. So when you add change to line 2,
which is where bar is.
Yeah, which means it should be in front of bar. It should not be after
so
bar.
This is This is the first one, right?
So the second one is correct.
Oh, what? In front, you mean before?
Yeah, it's like when you say that you want to insert something on a line, it needs the new thing has to appear on that line, and then everything else has to be
it's shifted down. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay, then the test was initially wrong, and now it's correct.
Yeah, exactly.
See,
yeah, that's also
our
a
theory.
mental model. Yeah.
That our tests were wrong. Wrong.
Yeah, exactly. Because that's also a big question. Like, what does it mean to replace? Well, in one sense,
the tests are taking even longer to rerun.
And now it was remove.
So at remove, you have to remove the line that's at position.
Yeah. So this should be bar. That's removed, which is correct. So I guess it's
so the test is correct. So we just need to change the index here.
Yeah. So we should probably. So we're going to.
We need to skip one.
Like
this.
Yeah. That's probably it. Yeah.
Probably. Like, we are professional developers, people.
Yeah, this is the two most embarrassing streams I've ever done. Like
imagine
what I like about it is that this does happen in real life.
Yeah,
that you get stuck on these silly things. That's way
but
more.
Everything is green now.
Yeah, awesome.
Imagine when we do the interviews for new developers, and we go like, you should know everything.
Yeah, exactly.
And we can do it.
Yeah, that's what I like. Slides. Maybe we should give this to in the email to new like people going into interviews. Watch this first, and you'll calm down in the interview.
We're stupid.
We're plain stupid. Oh, cool. Okay,
but we got it working, so we're officially awesome.
Yes, finally awesome.
Okay. So what do we do now?
Yes. So what we do now is that
it only took 1 hour to get to the state that we wanted to be.
That we already were. Just replacing that. Oh my god.
But at least it works now.
Yes. Yes. And the
let's
thing
keep
is,
the fixtures in this file for now, because I think it's easier.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, so now we do that, and now it's basically so we are producing the actual, we're applying the diffs to the lines successfully, and now we're getting into the we can do the next test. Is this we should keep the like there were two parts to this test. It was applying the first diff and then the second diff. So
let's do another test for this though. Let me do that copy pasting real quick, since I have some tools for that. Okay, so this is the first one. It replaces diff, and then it handles, what's the word, like multiple
diffs
applications, multiple diffs, just say. Okay, yeah. So we do this and we comment everything. We need to implement the command palette into our command palette, because it's really bad right now. Can I say that? Okay, so we are doing the two diffs. So we can remove this test because we already did it.
Yeah.
And we can do.
Yeah, this one hopefully works.
Let's just do.
The thing is, like, even in the client, you will be dealing with an array.
Okay.
Because you, like, in the client you render like each line, because each line has like functionality and stuff.
Oh, but for the test, it's okay to use to stringify them. And now we wait. Oh, that's disappointing. Yeah. It just passed.
Yeah. Exactly.
Something is wrong.
Yeah, something. Yeah, you're getting skeptical when something's right. That's the worst kind of skeptical.
Okay.
Well, nice. What we should be able to do now, though, is we should be able to. So now we're kind of applying the diffs to the lines, but the get file content that does the applying under the hood. So you're just saying, I want the contents of this file at this SHA, and then it will apply the diffs under the hood. So it's just making sure that it's applying those diffs correctly. So this should just run green.
Oh yeah,
unless you want to stringify it first.
Oh, unless what does get file content return? An array of strings. No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh no, could not find file content.
Oh yeah, sorry, I haven't updated the code for this.
Nice.
Okay, that's a good thing. So we're getting the initial content, and then we get the changes. Yeah, it has a different structure to it now. So we need to get. Oh, this used to be. No, this is commit SHA in changes. Yeah, but those aren't necessarily in the right order. That's something we have to make sure of. Okay, maybe we don't have to fix that now, but at least they have to be in the same order. And then we get, I can't remember how this types PR change. How does this look like now? It does have a type.
Wait, I saw something very, very important.
Oh, sorry, it's an array now. Yeah, that's the difference. It's not just one change, it's an array of changes. So what we basically want to do here.
Can you rename this change to like SHA changes or something, or commit changes?
Yeah. PR changes. And then we should.
Isn't commit?
Yeah. It's called I'm calling because this is like change now.
Oh, but this is a commit SHA, so it's it's everything up to that.
Well, it's the changes on that specific commit SHA. Yeah, so maybe we can call it commit changes. Yeah, that makes more sense. But previously, so this is now, it's an array now. Yeah. And we have to, how should we do this? I think we have to.
I'm not sure what you have to do, honestly.
Because now it's like it's another level, so we kind of have to. We have to do something similar, where we have the initial lines and then we update those lines, and we have to do that in order. But the thing is, we need to break out when we met commit. That's a tricky thing. Like one thing is using the reducer. That's a really nice way to like build up or aggregate. But when you want to break out of that array at some point, like you don't want to continue the reducer, but
just use a for.
Yeah, I think we can. It's just that we don't want to return anymore.
Yeah, you can just maybe declare the new array outside of the for and then break out of it when you need to. The good old 1999 JavaScript development.
Yeah. Because this thing that's different now is that we always want to add to the lines, but when we hit the commit SHA, we do want to return. But okay, so I guess this doesn't really matter. How the fuck should we do this? Return. How should we express this? Because if we are to here, so let's imagine the commit shots are in the right order, and then we just need to iterate over all their changes, and we apply that to the lines. And then when we hit the correct commit shot, we want to also apply that, but then we want to break out.
Yeah, just let me write some quick code. Like if you do for, and then
yeah.
Wait. So you do just whatever that push something, break, or even just like this, and then return whatever like this.
Yeah.
Like you always update the lines, but you if you meet the condition, you break out of it and then return.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, so we have the lines, the initial lines here. So this could be, yeah, exactly.
So this is lines, and this would be update lines change. If this.
Oh, are you seeing what I'm seeing now? I think we broke the collaboration.
Yeah, how did we do that? We broke it in a bad way.
Unless you see the same thing as I do. I think you see the same thing as I do.
Oh no. How did that happen?
Change of commit changes. But I think this is oh yeah, and then this would be, yeah, this would be break instead of well, I guess this is also return. Yeah, this should still be return. That's the thing that's confusing me.
That's now, you can put that at the beginning of the loop and just continue when you get into it, or negate it and wrap the whole thing around it.
Yeah, but we can't still.
This is returning null.
Yeah, but it can still do that, because if it doesn't matter like where it finds the deleted change, if it finds
you can just break.
Yeah, you just return null and break out of both loops.
Oh, return null. Oh, it deleted the file is deleted.
Yeah, then it doesn't return anything. So
yeah, I'm going to comment that. Yeah, you do the change. I don't want to break everything.
Yeah, let's see if we do this, and then we do this. Update lines, wasn't that the name of it? Update lines.
Cannot find name update lines. What the fuck happened?
Oh, it's apply diff now. Apply diff to lines.
That's a good name.
Oh, sorry.
Oh god.
Oh, yeah, because you know how to do it. And then this should be lines as well. Oh, well, yeah, so exactly. So here we also do this, but then we break, as you said. So when we hit this correct commit shot, we still apply the diff to the lines, but then we break and then we return the lines.
Look at the, okay, wait.
Oh, yeah, that shouldn't be there.
This is duplicate, but we also should do it like this. Like this should go down here.
Yeah.
And we always do it.
No, it shouldn't be there. You only
always do it. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
No, you're right. So we only do it here and here. Right? So this continues, this breaks out of it, and this just returns null.
Exactly.
Okay, so if the file is deleted, just return null. Okay, so this is modified or added.
Yeah, and I can fix the, let's see. Oh yeah, something's happening with ordered commit chars would be object keys changes. Those are the commit chars, and then we want to sort them by
I have one simplification to add. Like, you can always do this, but you can just break out of it if it's the commit char. So you don't have to have double. Double.
Good point. Good point. And I think we can do something smart here. Do we get, so we have data commits, and this is the array, and then, oh yeah, because we can't really, we have to find the index of commit char equals, I think we can like do something like the sorting thing. It's kind of interesting. Okay. I think it's possible to do something like this minus the other one.
Because they are consecutive?
Yeah, so it doesn't matter. Like typically sorting is like either you return -1, 0, or +1, but you can return like -5
I know.
Or plus.
But what's curious to me is, you're using the index, okay. Wait, what? Oh, okay, you're finding which commit char is before the other one.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay. This might be inefficient if we have a bunch of commits, because you are doing 2 iterations for each sort.
So I would argue, like, if you have so many commits that this becomes slow, then a much bigger problem. Oh yeah, but if you just return a commit char, you map and return an array of commit chars, we can just do index of.
Oh yeah, it's even simpler.
Yeah, commit. Yeah, well, this is interesting. Commit chars.
No, but then we still. Is index of better? Yeah, it is better.
Yeah, and then we do index.
So it's also simpler to understand. We could even make a lookup for this, but yeah, it's not worth it probably. This is enough optimization.
Yeah.
Is it? Like, we aren't testing this, but okay. It's not the performance policy is not going to come.
Or yeah, can we do off change commit? Yeah, that should be it.
Okay, not that it's working, but it's something.
Is it running the test now, or is it? Oh, there's running.
Oh, but we do have something. We just have a tiny difference, and we have a bunch of undefined, which isn't good.
Yeah, why do we have undefined there? That doesn't make any sense. How can it return undefined in that array?
Because if change is undefined. Let's see. Is there a way to do take the index of the iteration in for off?
No,
without manually
I don't think so.
Okay, no worries. That's why I never use it.
Yeah.
It's a petty reason not to use something. This is maybe the problem. Like this, there is like this diff empty object.
Yeah, maybe.
Is that expected? I don't think so, right?
Well, it should be. Yeah, if there's no diff lines, it just returns the lines. So that shouldn't matter.
Oh, it shouldn't be undefined, right?
Yeah, undefined is super weird.
PR change type.
But it has to come from...
It's 0. 0 is added, by the way. Yeah. Oh, right. The initial lines are wrong. Maybe.
Yeah.
Imagine if we could use like debug tooling instead of console log. Imagine being that smart.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Can you do one thing for me? Oh, no. I just looked at yours. Like I suspected that my changes were applying to your console immediately, but it isn't the case. No, the initial lines are correct.
Yeah, this is really weird. And then, but maybe if you go down to, yeah, I can do it here. How do you create a bear? Is it like a shortcut, or do you have
an emoji? Do you not have? Oh no, I have an application to do this. It's called Rocket, and I paid for it, like to use emojis in console logs. It's actually for the whole system, but mostly for console logs.
I think I know why. Yeah. It's like here, you might not have any changes on that commit. So if no commit changes, then just continue.
Why do we need this?
Well, I have a feeling that.
Oh, because you have this return at, wait, dude, you have this return at the end of the for. Should be outside of it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's true.
I think that wasn't.
But still, yeah, because currently the file always has all the commits or commit SHAs. So this won't affect the current example, but it
no, but wait. This wouldn't run if you don't have anything in. Oh, it could be undefined. No, if the array is empty, this for wouldn't run.
Yeah, but the thing is, like, you might have, so imagine you have like 3 SHAs, but the file you're currently grabbing contents from only has changes like diffs on the first SHA and the last SHA. So when it moves through all the commits here, it will update the lines on the first SHA, and then it hasn't any changes on the second SHA. But then we need to continue the iteration for the last SHA.
But you don't need to do this. Sense? Like, if you remove this line, it would still go to the for off, but do nothing because the array is empty. And so it will continue without.
Oh, but it's the loop. Yeah, but the array isn't empty. It's like undefined. So it will break. Yeah, it's undefined. Because it's an object of changes. So the commit SHA isn't there. Like the key isn't even there.
Oh, so the type is a lie. Okay, got it.
Yeah, the typing is a lie here. Yeah, it's funny why. Maybe that's really interesting. Why? Yeah, it doesn't seem like our IntelliSense is actually enforcing the rules from TypeScript.
Yeah, you're right. Because like the changes const is like a record of string and PR change.
Yeah, because this should be like PR change or undefined.
Okay, yeah, it's no biggie. Still, it doesn't work. So,
is it still undefined?
Yeah, there is more undefined than before, which is fine. Because we were running the first time we were returning early, so it was doing just one iteration. Now we're getting the full undefined.
I'm curious what the. Well, you know what I do? I do this to separate them.
Nice.
That's what I do. But yeah, we have to. I'll talk to someone after the stream to understand why the watcher is so insanely slow.
And this project doesn't even have that many files.
Yeah, it's super small. Yeah. Yeah, so we are getting undefined. How is that possible?
This shouldn't do anything, right? Like it should just keep like type 0 without any diff should do nothing.
Yeah, like diff lines should be an empty array, but probably it isn't an empty array. Maybe it's...
Yeah, let's see what it is. Maybe it's an array of undefined.
Let's use mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe it shouldn't be object.keys, but the other one, what's it called? Object.owner, something owner.
But why would it have like a bunch of random keys?
Good question.
Did it log to? Oh, it still hasn't updated.
No.
No way. Like it's almost easier to stop it and rerun it.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Which is crazy. Oh god. 2, 3. What?
Diff line?
Oh yeah, not a number. Like look at that.
Oh,
there are 2 keys that are not numbers.
Oh yeah, not a number.
And just filter that.
Okay, let's
be lazy and just filter the map at like the diff lines.
Yeah, I'm just curious what keys those are. What? Not a number? What? Yeah, what the hell? What kind of keys are they? But I think there's another way to object own get own. No, what's it called?
Own property names.
Own, yeah, something like
get
that.
Get own property names.
Own. What the hell is it called?
Yeah, just get own property names.
Oh,
there you go.
That one. Yeah.
Maybe symbols are included in keys. And there's some weird symbols somewhere. I'm just guessing at this point.
Yeah, and it might even be, I don't know what the test environment does.
Oh,
maybe
yeah.
It does something
maybe
crazy.
It does something weird with proxies or shit.
Yeah.
Oh, man. This is weird. Like, it feels like it's taking more and more time.
Yeah.
Could it be related to collaboration, no?
Oh,
None?
type. Oh,
God.
Oh, I know.
We need to pass
hit
that
by this before. Yeah. God damn it. I was hit by this before. The typing is not ideal for
so this is change.diff. Damn it.
Because it's like it's typed, like the diff is typed as something that matches everything, really.
Okay.
Because it's just a record of where each key represents a line, and it can be like any object.
But it worked. We just have something that's missing or something we need to fix, but it looks like it worked.
Oh,
we have a line.
Yeah, because now we got. Yeah, it went through all the. It went through all the SHAs. So is this change break? Oh, this should be, yeah. So this is the thing. Like this is the thing that doesn't work, because this is breaking out of this thing. So I think we need to do
what is breaking out of what?
When you do the break here. Yeah.
Oh no.
So we kind of have to do it. But here we can return lines. And then it will work, because this is sure? We're done.
Are we? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But then it doesn't go through the other commits.
Yeah, but they shouldn't do that, because we're saying only up to this commit. So it's like, if you imagine the tabs, you kind of
got it. Yeah. Then you're good to go. It's probably easier, like for the future, if we take this inner loop and we put it into a function.
Yeah.
It might be easier to understand what's going on.
Yeah, it's so interesting that like we have these. So one thing is like we kind of met one of the some of the more trickier things, like doing slicing can be really tricky, and also having like nested for loops where you need to do. We even use break, continue. Well, we don't use break anymore, but yeah, you have like continue and break and return, and
we can remove the continue if it annoys you by negate, like if you use if commit changes and you wrap the whole for. It's the same thing but without the continue.
Yeah,
but maybe it's easier. Like, I don't know which one is easier to understand.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because we could put it on the outside here.
Yeah.
And oh yeah, we have to do that because now, yeah, we're breaking out on the first commit now. You might have more changes coming. So yeah, this is actually wrong. So we could do break like it did here. Because now we're on a commit, we're applying all the changes for that commit, and then we check, is this the commit we're looking for? Let's break out and return the lines. Yeah. And
nice. And now we need like 6 more tests. One for deleted, one for like no changes. I'm going to just write down what we need to.
Yeah, do that.
It's useful.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so this is for yeah, the one. Yeah, also if one of them represents a deleted file.
What about adding files?
Yeah, so this is the thing that we need to explore, is like, especially when we start moving stuff around. But in terms of getting file contents, it doesn't matter if it's an add or modified. It's still just, you should just get the content. But yeah, I would also add the test, like we talked about, if the file has a change only on the first and the last commit, but no changes in the middle commit. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, those would be good. We can add some more fixtures. Like the good thing about the fixtures we have now, they're quite simple. So we could, though I'm not, yeah, exactly. They're quite simple. So it should be easy to create these examples manually.
We can make a utility to export Git diffs from CodeSandbox.
Yeah, that would be nice.
We can make a little panel like we get 2 files and we can export a diff, pretending it's 2 different things.
Yeah, and even on the stuff you've been working on now, like you can right click in the change list.
That would be nice.
And then copy diff. Yeah, that would be nice.
Like the patch format.
Yeah,
diff.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
That would be nice. And you can also import diffs. Wow.
Yeah,
that's going into weird territory, though.
Yeah, that's pretty weird.
There was a coworker that insisted in sending me diff files whenever I asked for something.
Oh.
It was like, yeah, this is the diff, the do it yourself.
But yeah, this is nice, and we should write these tests first, and then like the next set would be start manipulating the diffs. So there are 2 levels of manipulation. You can, like, if we look at the types, so each file has each file has a certain commits being affected. It's being affected by certain commits, and then the commits is an array of changes. So you can do two types of manipulations. You can move a full change. So like if you added or deleted or modified, so you can move that whole change with all the diffs, all the line changes. You can move that to a different SHA. But you can also take, like if you have a modified, for example, which has a change to line 2 and 3, you should also be able to take, I want just line 2 to be on this other SHA.
Okay, so this is more array manipulation. Nice. That's what I want to hear.
That's what we're best at. Yeah.
Going to take like 2 weeks to do this, just this part, and then we need to actually build the product around it.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, but this is, I think that this is nice exercise. Like we're, testing the product, and we're testing collaboration, and we're practicing our array manipulation and
our pair programming for interviews, so we look like fools.
Yeah, perfect. This is a synergy. But yeah, maybe we should.
I had a terrible idea, which would be like to teach you React Fiber and 3JS on stream or something. Yeah, that would be great, because it's like so different from what we do in regular JS land. So that would be super interesting. Awesome. Maybe we could do it for a stream with Ace.
Yeah. That's because that's a really good like official stream. We can put all the bad content on my account
where we just do string manipulation and we fail badly at it. Then we prepare for the real ones.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe we should call it like a practice area, practice channel. But I thought what would be fun here is like when we dive into the client, it would be fun to invite Ze as well and talk about like user experience. So we kind of just create, that's what I'm thinking here. Like we're just creating this very low level, very flexible manipulation of all the diffs. And then we have something to play around with.
This is also nice because this is part, like this is a feature that I asked for yesterday. I was talking with Ze about it, which is like staging and unstaging partials of the diff. So this is it, right? Because instead of moving it from one commit to another, we are just removing it from the whole thing and unstaging it.
That's funny you say that, because that's actually the next test in line. It's just
so we will just and then we also need to find the diff at lines, so we have everything. So if you select and you do like stage or unstage, we can just take that whatever diffs we find in those lines and push them into the commit.
Yeah, exactly.
All strings manipulation. And I hate this. I hate my life so much.
But it's what's really cool about us doing this like the React way and like functional and immutable is that we get like history for free. So you can just control.
You can you can get all so we can like
arrays. every time we apply or we move a diff, we can just make a copy of everything and then you can just move back in history. That it should feel like an insane power, like empowerment, like you're just manipulating stuff and you make a mistake, and even if you even when you look at a specific SHA, you can like see what changes did you actually make to that SHA historically. So it should be super powerful. But cool. Nice. I'm going on having Easter vacation. But if you want to play around with this, same for me. Like I think like that's perfectly fine. We don't have to stream every single change to the project
because that would be super slow.
Then
we do another week for like the next few
exactly.
array methods. We learn like sort and find.
Though it did seem like our sort actually worked. That's
nice.
that's so if I one takeaway from this this stream where I felt like a proper developer was expressing that sort. Yeah, that was professional.
Unless we find the tester wrong again.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I'll live in the moment for now.
Yeah.
Awesome. I guess I'll talk to you later.
All right,
Marco. Bye for now.
Bye.